ARI. ARI is a community-based school where people from all over the world share ideas about how to live together on this earth in a peaceful and sustainable way.
HTC. What is HTC? Harvest Thanksgiving Celebration HTC is held on the second week of October each year. It is ARI's biggest event of the year and a time to showcase the spirit of ARI to many visitors. Since we cannot invite our friends due to the COVID-19, we have our first ever online HTC this year.
Countdown HTC. Since we have online HTC this year, we'd like to have a pre-HTC event with you.
ジルさんと
エリちゃんのクッキングワークショップ。皆さんこんにちは。今日はフィリピンから来たジルさんがフィリピンの家庭料理アドボを教えてくれます。アジア学院の豚肉とお野菜を使って皆さんも作ってみてください。それではジルさんお願いします。
ありがとうございます。This is a Philippine, very common Philippine dish. In cooking we use pork, we use potato. The other ingredients we use is soy sauce, vinegar, pepper, onion, garlic, and laurel leaves to improve the aroma of the dish. To start cooking, we will cut the pork. In cutting, you can choose what kind of cut you use. It may be elongated or it can be in cubes. You choose your own style of cutting. Next, we cut the potato. Again, it depends on what size. The potato should be almost the same size of the meat when you cut. Then we cut the onions. We try to cut the onions at least small size. Then we cut the garlic, at least very small size if possible. after cutting the ingredients, we start cooking. We put first the meat, then the onions, then the garlic, and the soy sauce, and vinegar. Then the pepper and the laurel leaves. The potato we will mix the potato later because it's easy to cook. So we have to wait for the meat to at least cook before mixing the potato. It will be overcooked. Then we mix together the meat and the ingredients. We properly mix them. Now we start cooking. We have to reduce the fire so that it will not be burned.
今日使ったこのお醤油、実は ARI のお醤油なんです。アジア学院で育った大豆から作っています。皆さんぜひオンラインショップで購入して使ってください。
Now we have to check and mix again the meat and so that it will be properly mixed with the ingredients. After 10 minutes, we check again, and then if possible we mix. The meat can produce also its own water. Now it's almost finished, so we mix the potato now. Then we stir again to mix the potato properly. And then cooking is almost finished. We wait for about 10 minutes for the potato to be cooked, and it is finished already. Now I think it is finished already. So
Good smell, ジルさん。アドボの完成です。Finish.
let's try.
Let's eat.
Let's taste this dish. Alright, let's taste our dish.
いただきます。
いただきます。
Very tasty.
おいしい。The potato.
いや、美味しい。
おいしい。
ジルアドボ。
ラワの13です。
はい、いただきました。
So everyone needs adobo.
ジルさん、ビデオ。
Advertise.
はい、今日のアドボお料理、アジア学院のオンラインショップで購入できます。アドボセット1800円です。皆さんぜひお買い求めください。